friends, so we have a Kuwaiti patient with us who will be doing fillers with us. The reason for doing her filler is, let me explain you all. So I will be injecting her 1 ml on her lips. She has taken 1 ml before and now she wants more 1 ml because her lips were very small, and this is the line which I'll be treating. So I'll be putting little bit here and here to raise it. Same way I'll be doing here. I am using for her 2 ml for her nasolabial fold and already 1 ml injected with 1 more ml, so total 2 ml for lips. So let's start the filler for my patient. Do Bismillah. So this patient's half lip has been done. This is undone. So you can see how because of the filler, the lip cupid has elevated. She's getting a raised cupid and her contour is very fine. Here this side is down. You can see no filler here. Here it is raised, okay, and enlarged. This side is not enlarged by the filler. Yeah, hi. So this is my Kuwaiti patient. So we have done her half face and we have not touched her other face. So you can see the left side is undone. This is with the filler, this is without the filler. Can you smile for me? Shoof. See, when she's smiling, she has a deepened line here like a fold. Here there is no fold as a baby bounce skin. You can see her lips, it is lifted here, here no lift. No lift. The best part is this portion of her lips is raised. Here this part is not raised, where I will inject here and raise it. Okay, now come to this portion. Can you shift? Okay, can you see there is no lift here? There is no kind of like no blush on the face, no contour. Now you can see this side of the face. This is a contour face. So first she had a line here, very mild. Now it is no more. You can reveal on the before picture. She has a face cut now. So I had also given here to give her a pretty little jawline. We didn't have much filler for this, here nothing, see. So we'll be giving here again this side, and this is her half face with filler, and this is her half face without filler. I hope you like my work and do come to Bliss Skin Dental Clinic. Bismillah. Yalla. How was your experience? We are done with your filler. Happy?
It's happy.
Happy. What
Thank
do you
you.
feel about your face now?
It's good.
Good. You feel fresh?
Yes.
What do you feel about my hands? Anayat Zen?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Yalla, maas.
Ma salama.